Photoshop is the industry standard software in design and photo manipulation, and it's really a great software to get to know, and it is immensely useful. Learning Photoshop for busy people is aimed at teaching you the basics of Photoshop to a level where you will eventually be able to understand all of the more advanced tutorials out there, but in a relatively short amount of time. Photoshop for busy people aims to teach you with hands-on experience what you need to know without fussing over the details. Do you really need to know the intricate coding of the Photoshop actions, or how vectors work on a pixel level versus rasterized layers or images? No, chances are you don't. That is something that you will learn when you get to a more advanced stage. So in learning Photoshop for busy people, I'm not gonna fuss about teaching you all the whys and hows and all the little tiny controls that I myself 99% of the time never use. I'm just gonna teach you the stuff that will get you to the point of knowing how to do awesome stuff in Photoshop in a relatively short amount of time. But take a look at the preview files for these lessons and see if it's something for you. Hi, my name is Philip Zeppelin, and you are watching the very first part of Learning Photoshop for Busy People. So if you don't know, Photoshop is the industry standard graphic software for design and primarily image manipulation, but also illustration to some degree, used within web design and even used in 3D modeling and video editing. However, it is primarily used as a photo editing tool. So let's get started. Let's first open up a picture, so you go up into File and Open. Now that's one way of doing it, and the shortcut is Control O, which is what we'll be using from now on because it's just a lot faster. So I'm going to choose this image 1, double click for it to open, and here we go. So we have this image here that we worked on last time, but maybe we want to add a little bit of text and give it some effects. Hi, and welcome to Learning Photoshop for Busy People. But since you are a busy person, let's just get started. Now, as I explained, you can also open up images with the shortcut Control O. So that's what we're gonna do. Control O, and then click image 2 and hold down Control and click image 3, and then click Open. Hi, and welcome to lesson 4 of Photoshop for Busy People. So in this particular tutorial, we're gonna make something ourselves. Before, we previously worked with photographs, but this time we're just gonna be all creative by ourselves. So go up to File, and instead of saying Open, click New. Hi, so welcome back for part 5 of Learning Photoshop for Busy People. This is where we left off last time, but now we're gonna make it even cooler.